Hey guys, welcome back to another Joe Mueller fast food review. Today I passed my local Popeyes and saw this. Brand new from Popeyes, guys, their new chicken sandwich, which comes in two flavors, classic or spicy. And being the classic man that I am, I got the classic today. Alright. Let's see what this looks like, guys. $3.99 from Popeyes. An incredible bargain. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, wow. Comes in a little diaper, guys. Diaper, how nice. And there it is. Got a little bit of, looks like mayonnaise on it. And a couple pickles. Looks really good. A little mayo. And look at this patty. Look at this chicken. Wow. This looks really good, guys. Look at that. And I tell you what I'm going to do. Unfortunately, Julie is on assignment today. No, actually, she's working today, unfortunately. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half so that Sweetie Pie can have a little bit of a snack when she gets home. Alright. So $3.99, guys, from Popeyes. This is an incredible bargain. Looks good. Smells good. Everything's good, guys, in paradise. Alright. First bite. Wish me luck. What do we say? Come on, focus. Salute. Mmm. Wow. I love the combination of the chicken, the pickle, and the mayonnaise. It's really good, guys. Mmm. I don't normally like pickles on my sandwiches, but this is incredible. This works. Wow. Mmm. Wow. The chicken is very, very tender. The breading is nice, crispy. It's really, really good. Amazing. And now for my rating. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the very best, guys, this all works. It is great. My taste buds are actually dancing in my mouth. It's so good. 10 plus Popeyes, knock it out of the park hit. Definitely go out and try the new chicken sandwiches from Popeyes. You will be very, very impressed. Just like I am. Alright, guys. That was my review. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. God bless. So long.